So the saga with the electrics on the Triumph, it continues. I haven't finished. It's a bit messy here at the moment. I'm just doing a test. Well, I tested this and I thought the ohms were a bit low, and so I bought a new one, 12 volt, and wired it all in so it would run, and started the bike up, and I'm getting 13.7 volts now. So the issue was this. Now I tested this also on the voltage, so I'm only getting 10. I'm wondering whether this is a 6 volt one, but there's no way of testing it apart from the ohms are very low. And I noticed on the CB125 I've got, that the ohms on that is 530. I know, is that what you should be looking for on a 6 volt? And on the 12 volt these were at 1.2 each wire. So when you connected a negative to the positive and you check these two, they were coming out at 453, and I don't know if that was correct or not, but whatever. I bought a brand new 12 volt one, and this one under here. Yes, I got it off Amazon. I just tried it. It's putting out 1.2 mega ohms, is it, or 1,200 ohms, and yeah, it's been charging the bike perfectly. 13.7 volts. It's great. You know, I'm happy with that. So back on the road again with no worries charging issues.